So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see some more feature of part design. So let's see. First go for the mechanical design, part design, and as usual we are going to select a point and mark it 0 0 and take a plane over xy plane. Yeah. So today we are going to see some features like slot, reeve, and I mean some these of the features that we are to see today. So let's go with the projection position sketch and projection point we have to select here. Select the projection point, hit OK. So first thing first, what we are going to draw, we are going to select a rectangular surface like this, and let's go with the defining by these some features like this, and this is one last one. This is now, if we check from here, it is now ISO constraint. So whenever we have to make a design, we have to see these points always. Okay, so that's all. And now what we have to do, we have to exit the sketch workbench. So this is ready now. If we go and select this one, let's select the position sketch again, or what we can do, exit. Let's go with the simple sketch. Okay, and now what we are going to do, we are going to design another over here, and let's define this one too. Actually I am going to show you some different kind of features actually. Let's see. Let's see some more new features actually that we haven't seen here. So this is already ISO constraint now. Now one thing what I am going to show you was this solid combine. So for this we have to select a profile like this one, and for the second profile let this one. So it is projecting the figure that these two rectangle could make by combining with each other. So let's preview it and hit OK. So the projected uh, sketch, actually the profiles are now a figure. So let's select this face and go with the sketch. For the second point, what we are going to see, what can we draw? Let's go with this. Let's see reeve, escape and exit, and now exit the sketch workbench, and let's see the reeve. So I have selected the sketch, and for the center curve we have selected this line. So the reeve is now ready. So as we can see, the reeve is ready now. Now for the third thing, that is the slot one. So for that we have to draw a profile again. So let's select this one and go with the sketch, and if we select the circle, let's switch off the snapping tool and keep this like this, and so on this, exit, and if we click here the slotting tool, and again we have to select a center curve. So for that I am going to select this one, and if we preview it or if we hit OK, so we can see this that the slot is ready. Okay, and one more, this is the multi-section solid. So for this what we have to do, we can just see. Okay, so if we select this one and this one, it's not getting selected. Why? Okay, let's go with this. Let's see. Swap. Okay, sorry. it's not going to work like this. For this, what we can do, again we can select this plane, or let's go with this plane. I think we should go with this plane. Actually, this is that feature that we have seen in the SolidWorks, that we select uh, the swept feature that we have the SolidWorks. So in this we have to make a different, actually different shapes like this one, and exit from here. So this is on this plane, okay, and if we select this plane and go with the sketch, and again we draw a rectangular feature like this one and exit. So if we select here the multi-section solid and this one, let's preview. So you can see this, that the preview is ready now. I mean the multi-section solid is ready now. And if we go and again select this plane, and let's what we should do, we should draw a rectangle again, and this one is ready now. And for the second feature, that is this one plane, if you go and select this again, and again we drew a rectangle like this one and exit, and if we select this one, the removed multi-section solid, and select this plane, and let's see it preview, or okay, let's see. So it's removed the multi-section solid plane. Actually it works like the pocket, but in the we can monitor the way where it should go. Okay, so we have seen the slot, the rib, and the solid combine, the multi-section solid, and the removed multi-section solid. There's one more feature, that is the stiffener. We will see this in another video, okay, and I mean tomorrow video. So that's all for today, guys. Bye bye.